In the last video, we went over how to save your images externally using ZeroBrush's new save features. So quickly, we're going to go over editing them in another program. So if I click on the texture paint button and I click this button here, if I select save to hard drive and then click my folder option and then choose a location I want my images to save to, or I can create a new folder here. Then I click accept. Whenever I press this Save My Layers button, all my layers will be saved to that folder. So I can click this folder off so we don't have to look at all that. Here I have these monkey textures images, which is a location we chose to. So say I open all these up in Photoshop or GIMP or whatever image editor you want to use and make some changes to them. I'll just go Image, Adjust, Hue, Saturation, and maybe just make them all red or something just for demonstration purposes. So we're making all these red. Image, adjust, hue, saturation, colorize. Okay, so we've made all of these layers red here, and I'll close each one of them, which in Photoshop prompts the save screen. I'll hit yes, save this. And yes, save this. You don't have to close them out and save them. You can just save them, but I'm just saving them and closing them out. And then we hop back into Blender. So any amount of changes we made to any of our images that we have selected to be saved to a folder instead of internally, when we click this Reload All Images button, that will reflect all the changes on all the different layers we saved. And then of course we can go back to editing these, and when we click Save here, those changes will then be reflected, will still be saved to these images. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see where I marked that orange just now. And so we have a very simple back and forth between Blender and whatever we're editing, or a way to export all our layers. That includes baked layers, ambient layers, merged layers, anything you create that you can see here in ZeroBrush will be saved to those folders. And you can edit them externally and then just click Reload All Images when you're done.